Greetings from Germany. I am Stacy from Stacy, Kenya, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe for more informative videos such as au pair program in Germany or in Europe, volunteer program in Germany, Ausbildung in Germany, study visa in Germany, and German language visa. Yeah, if you are a returnee, thank you so much for always supporting me. God. How can you apply for Uefa volunteer program in Germany? I'm here to guide you. I have applied it and I got my notification. Yeah, so I'm waiting for my interview as well to participate in this program, and I'm going to share with you guys step by step on how you can apply for this program, the requirements, yeah, etc. So what is this UEFA volunteer program in Germany? It is all about football. Germany, they are hosting tournament next year. Last year it was in France, yeah, and they need people to help during the match because they're going to host so many people all over the world, yeah, and they need people to volunteer, like in the service, yeah, like directing the fans, transport, yeah, and it is open. Anyone can apply for this program. And what are the requirements for this program? You only need to have your passport, that is a traveling document, a passport photo, that is a very decent, unanyonga tai hivi, if it's a woman, yeah, you dress well and you take a very cool passport, yeah, a photo, that is language certificate, German. No, there is no requirement for German language certificate, but if you have your German language certificate, of course, it's an added advantage for you. It's a plus for you. How much does it cost to apply for this volunteer program? Cost and loss. It is free of charge. Yeah, it is free of charge. And how can you apply? I'm here to guide you on how to apply for this program. Where can you apply? I'm going to pin the link in the comment section. Step number 1, you're going to create a profile on their online portal, the application, and profile account. So you go to your Google. Remember, you can use your phone or laptop, yeah. So and then when you open it, it is going to bring this. So you're going to, you see there's a place to log in, yeah. You do not have an account yet, yeah. So you're going to create a profile. You scroll down and you create a profile by sign up, yeah. Some sites will show it like this. So you're going to scroll down and see where it is written join us, yeah. From there you're going to create a profile, okay, your account. You're going to create your account, your sign up, because you don't have an account with them. So you go sign up and create your account. Place your email address. I'm going to use a character. Remember, this is just a character. And if your name is Charlie or Monzia, I'm sorry, I'm just using a character, yeah. As you saw, my email address, let me say I'm Charlie, my email address is that. Then I go to create a password. Make sure that you create a very strong password,
Yeah, then you go and confirm your password. Make sure that the first password is matching with the second password when you're confirming. Yeah, let's do that, and a very strong one. Then we go to first name. My character is Charlie, and then the second name is Wanzia. Then you put date of birth. My character is let me say my character must be 18 years and above, so my character is born in 2006, 2004 is good, so say 2004. Yeah, and then yeah, that is it. You have to accept, and then you saying that you're not a robot. Then you create your account. Yay,
Did it,
you made
guys.
it.
Now we have an account on their online portal, and you have received such a message. Yeah, so what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down, because on that message that you have received, and now we're going to our step 2, like applying for this program. So you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see join tournament. Yeah, you're going to see join tournament. Press on that place that is written join tournament. So after clicking that join tournament, it brings it looks like this. Yeah, application form. Click on that form. Then after clicking on that form, please fill in your details. Yeah, the pages are like 6 pages, so you keep on going. Page 1, you fill in your details. Yeah, your personal details. Page 2, the next page is about your education, your profession. Remember, volunteer program has no, they don't check if you are a graduate or not. The volunteering is a will to do good. Yeah, you're motivated, so that should not be your limit. You should try to apply. Yeah, and then the most interesting part is where they are asking for this motivation. Yeah, motivation number 1, why you would like to be to volunteer is, number 1 is your love for football. You love football. Another thing, volunteering, it's kind of a cultural exchange, kind of going to travel from another country to another country for different culture. So you can give that one as a motivation, that you like traveling and you find volunteer program to be suitable for you to explore and like mingle and meet new people from different cultures. Yeah, just like here I've like explained on these points. Again, when you are filling in your details, you have to like you fill in your Facebook, your Instagram, so just fill in your online handles. Yeah, and then the next is places where to choose where to apply for your volunteer program. Let me give you a tip. Yeah, everyone wants to go to big cities. Yeah, and remember, this program is open for everyone all over the world. In small cities, the number won't be higher like in big cities, you see. So it's good to choose, like an example, look at this small city when you're coming to choose. Yeah, you choose small city. Yeah, first you go, you check, like an example, big city, you see like Berlin, it's a big city. Most people would like to go to Berlin. Which other small city is it's present? You go for small city. An example, this city I have chosen here. Yeah, you go for that. Yeah, I'm just saying for an example. Yeah, so for me, I would do that cities because I know most people wouldn't be interested to go to small cities. Again, when you come to this option for choosing where the area where you want to volunteer in, I would urge you to take, okay, I don't want to limit you, but according to your profession, if you are for event marketing and everything, you can choose according to your profession. But if you are a student, or if you're taking a gap here between, if there's a gap here between campus or college, or uni, if you are a student, you apply for fun zone, and then ticketing, these places, these options that I've chosen, you can choose those options, because an example, if you choose driving and you do not have a driving license for Europe, for Germany, so they might not pick you. They will pick someone who has experience in driving in Europe, because at places where I have chosen here. That is just a suggestion. You don't have to choose like me, but that is it. How did you find it? Is it hard to apply for yourself? Now you wait for your interview, and after you have applied, you go next, and then you receive this kind of message that shows that you have completed your application, and you will wait for your interview. See you in Germany, mashallah, next year, God's will. And I'm here in case you encounter any problem during your application. Please drop it in the comment section, and in case you like this video, it was informative, please, you can compliment it down in the comment section as well. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for your support.